So this lesson we are going to be looking at bottom sheet. Yeah, you know, sometimes we don't need a bottom nav bar, right? We need something different. So I'm just going to do away with the bottom nav bar. What did I delete? I think there should be this and then this. Yes. All right. Sometimes we don't want a bottom nav bar, we want something different. So let's look at, if you open, let's say which app. All right, I don't even know what I am doing, but then let's look at bottom sheet, what bottom sheet is used for, what bottom sheet does. So this requires a widget, right? So it's bottom sheet, a widget. So yes, bottom sheet, and then this takes so many it has so many parameters, but then the most crucial one is the builder. Okay, so the builder, as we already know, it takes a build context, and then what else does it take? Oh, it only takes a build context, so you just have to return something. Where is this error? So on Dragster, no. So which one is required? No. Required on closing and then builder. So I'll just say on closing. Sorry, not the inside here before the builder. So I'll say on closing, and I'll just put an empty this thing there. So this thing should return something. So here I'm going to return a container. Just a container. Now, yeah, it is taking everything on this page. So you see, by default it has curved edges, right? So let's just work it out. So what can we do? Can we specify it in here, like constraint? We can give constraint. Oh wow, okay. Or we can just style it from the container itself. So I can just say height should be equal to 25% of the screen. That is size.height times 0.25. That's 25% of the screen. So we see it here, but then it's not really that clear. So I'm just going to make this body 100% so that we can see it well. Why? Okay, no, the width should be the width. Yes, 100%. So this is our bottom nav bar. Okay, inside here we can put so many things here. So we can put a child, just like any widget, right? And then say elevated button, compressed, NT, and then child text that says pay now. So this is, what is this? This is basically what a bottom looks like, because we specified a height for this. This height is affecting the button, right? So we can either style the button separately, or we can also wrap this inside a size box that says the height should just be 50. Okay. So if you save, you should see, oh, it doesn't even affect it. It's, this thing is taking the whole thing. So I'm just going to do away with this, and then so we can actually style it like style, and let's say elevated button, let's start from, and say size, no, to maximum size, or let me use fixed size, so you can see size, I'll say size, let me just say, so the width, right, so let's just say 300 by 50. So I think this should be okay. No, what is this? The height of this thing is taking everything. So let me just take it out. So this thing is taking this. This is not the expected behavior. So I don't know why it's doing this. So let me just wrap this inside the center so you can see. Okay, so this one works, right? So if I put that inside the center, then I can do this. Yes, so this one works. We have the button now working. So what else? I can set background color. See, colors, that's pink. So we can have a pink button here. Yeah. So this is a basic button. Alright. Now the thing is that, you know, sometimes this thing should scroll, right? It should scroll. Now when I try scrolling it, I'm going to get an error because I've not added an animation controller. I'm not even going to do that. Or I should turn enable drag off. So let me just show you one more thing. So show drag handle to true. So that gives you this drag handle. That means you can drag it, right? But then if you drag it, there should be a callback, or there should be a function that should show you what happens, whether you're going to show more content or whatever happens when you drag it. You should do it. But then I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to turn enable drag off. Sorry, false. Yeah. So I've disabled drag. So now, oh, it's still giving me errors. So I have to turn this thing to off. Alright. So I can't drag it anymore, right? So this is safe. So now this is just a bottom nav bar. It stays on your page. Whatever you are doing, this thing still stays here. It doesn't go anywhere. Yeah. So that's a bottom nav bar. It stays here all the time. Alright. It's different from a bottom sheet. A bottom sheet appears and then goes. We looked at bottom sheet already. Bottom sheet appears and then it goes when you tap outside or something like that. Alright. So that's all for bottom nav bar.